Tonight I'm gonna cook some kimchi soup. I have some kimchi, 1.5 cup, some pork, 1 pork chop, 1 chicken breast, red bean paste. This is sesame oil, chili flakes, garlic, onions, sake, salt, and Pat's chili sauce. So we sauteed the pork and chicken in sesame oil, minced garlic, onions, added 1 cup of sake, 3 cups of water, and the 1.5 cup kimchi. Now we're gonna simmer. So after simmering for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna add our salt, chili flakes, whole garlic. I like whole garlic. And our red bean paste. And the secret sauce. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon because I think it's really spicy. Looks good. Serve over warm rice and enjoy with a Sapporo Premium Draft beer.